Subscribe to OZiva TV and hit the bell icon for more updates on fitness, nutrition and wellness.
Yay! It's day 12. I feel so great and proud of myself that I have reached here and just a few more days to go.
That's right guys, आज के बाद सिर्फ 2 दिन और बाकी है. So let's give it our best. Welcome back to the OZiva TV for the day 12 of our 14-day workout challenge. My name is Miten
And I'm Kunakshi
and we are here to take you through once again for day 12. So we are going to be doing ab exercises today. It's not going to be a circuit. We do 3 exercises. We finish 1 exercise, do 3 sets of those. Then we move on to the next exercise, do 3 sets of those, and then finally move on to the last exercise and do 3 sets of those. So the first exercise that we are doing today is leg raise.
The second one is a combination of flutter kicks and scissors.
That's right. And the third exercise is cycling cross crunches or heel touches for the easier version. Okay, so let's get in position for the first exercise, which is your leg raises. You can either do your leg raise or your knee raise as Kunakshi is demonstrating in this video. The point is to do each of these exercises for 30 seconds and then we rest for 30 seconds at the end of the first set. Alright, Kunakshi, are you ready?
Yes, I'm bringing my knees up.
You guys are ready? And 3, 2, 1, let's go. 30 seconds, control the movement. Don't let the pressure come on your lower back. Feel your abs, do the work. An important tip that you can keep in mind is to basically suck your belly button inside down towards your spine as you bring your legs in or your knees in. Feel your core, do the work. And last 5 seconds, come on, push it.
Breathe out as you extend your legs out.
And relax. So that's first exercise, first set done. Let's rest for 30 seconds and then we do the same exercise once again for 30 seconds. Okay, so 30 seconds rest. You're almost about to get done. Let's get back in position. One more set of the same exercise in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Make sure you feel the crunch, control the rhythm, control the movement, and don't give up. It's easy, come on guys, focus. It's the mind that is trying to distract you, but your body can totally do it. I believe in you and I know you can push it. Let's go, keep going. And 3, 2, 1, relax. That's the second set done. Let's rest for 30 seconds and then we do the final set of this exercise. Alright guys, third set, final set of this exercise. Come on, let's get in position. 30 seconds. That's it. And 3, 2, 1, up. Control the movement, come on. Keep going, no stopping. Easy, almost there, come on. And push, and push, and push. No stopping guys, come on. Almost there. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Done.
And relax. Now with this second exercise, we are doing a combination of flutter kicks and scissors. We're going to be doing this movement for 30 seconds, right? So you need to keep alternating between flutter kicks and scissors. So what you can do is you can do about 5 to 6 reps of flutters and then switch to scissors and then move back to flutter kicks. We continuously keep doing this until we reach the 30-second mark. Alright. In the meantime, make sure you grab some water, stay hydrated, and we'll see you at the end of these 60 seconds. So guys, for this next exercise, watch us carefully. I'm going to keep my feet closer to the ground, whereas Kunakshi is going to keep her knees bent and up in the air. Alright everyone, let's get in position. for flutter kicks and scissors, we go in 3, 2, 1, 30 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So you can alternate 5 reps between flutters and scissors. Remember, don't stop. Feel your core do the work. Feel that fire in your abs. Come on, keep pushing. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. 30 seconds timer of rest is already on, and then we do the second set of the same exercise. Alright guys, let's get in position for the second set. Everyone, in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
I make a diamond and I'm putting it below my tailbone, protecting my back. And my neck is also down. Miten is doing the advanced variation. If you guys want, you all can get your neck up to challenge yourself a little bit.
Alright guys, come on, almost there, almost there. Yes, in 3, 2, 1, relax. 30-second countdown is already on. Final set for this exercise remains. Last set guys of this exercise. Kunakshi, let's do it.
For sure.
Come on guys, position and let's go. Pace yourself, control the movement, control the rhythm. Don't give up. You've done so well so far and I know you can do even more. Come on, keep pushing, keep going, don't stop, don't stop. Almost there, yes. Okay guys, almost in 3, 2, 1 and relax.
Oh my God.
Feeling the burn, Kunakshi?
Absolutely.
Amazing guys, let's rest for 60 seconds and then we do the final exercise for the day, which is slightly easier than what we just did. So just hang in there, don't give up just yet. Alright guys, final exercise for the day. It's cycling cross crunches or
Heel touches.
heel touches. That's right. So with this exercise, let's get in position, 30 seconds. Make sure that when you're doing this exercise, keep a strict form. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. If you're doing cycling cross crunches, make sure that your shin is parallel to the ceiling. And if you're feeling any discomfort in your throat or your neck, then recall what Kunakshi said on day 3. That's right. Keep your tongue on your upper gum. Lay it flat over there and you won't feel any discomfort over there. And that's it. Relax guys. Kunakshi, okay?
Yes.
Nice
Absolutely.
one. Okay guys, let's get in position for second set of this exercise. We're almost done with today. Keep pushing and 3, 2, 1, let's go. Control the movement. Easy. Push yourself. And that's it. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Pace yourself. Either do what Kunakshi is doing or what I'm doing. But remember to feel the burn in your core.
I'm protecting my neck. If it's coming on your neck, then please place your hands behind your head.
And relax. Good job, guys. One more set remaining. 30-second timer for your rest is already on. We're almost there. You can do it. Kunakshi can do it. I can do it. And we are all gonna do it. Alright guys, last set of the day, and you know it, it's supposed to be the best set of the day. Kunakshi, let's get in position.
Done.
Let's go guys, 30 seconds and that's it. We're done for the day. Come on, push it, push it, push it.
I
Keep
cannot
going,
wait
come
to
on.
finish my set. I'm not going to give up.
That's right. There are no quitters over here. We keep pushing, keep doing. Come on. No stopping, no stopping. Almost there. Chalo. Come on guys, last 5 seconds. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. And 3, 2, 1. Relax.
Yay!
Whew. So with that, we come to the end of our day 12. I hope you guys can feel the burn already, feeling some energy and feeling much stronger than what you started at. And to help myself nourish, I've got the OZiva Men's Multi, which is fizzy and refreshing, keeps me energetic through the day, keeps my stamina up high and is good for your overall health. So make sure you guys try it out. So with that, we are at the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe to the OZiva TV YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up because it really encourages us to come up with more and more such events only for you guys. So until then, see you in the next video.